I'm getting ready to start. It's the Advent Challenge, and this is my intention setting process. Today, while I'm making this little postcard of mixed media loveliness, I'm setting my intention for the Advent Journal Challenge. I'm thinking about what I want, and very importantly, what I don't want the challenge to be. So I'll start with what I don't want, because sometimes that helps me to decide what I do want. I don't want this challenge to be a rush or to feel like a chore. I don't want it to cause stress or frustration, or to feel like the work I have put in isn't good enough or perfect enough to share or to put into my journal for fear of ruining it. I don't want anyone taking part to feel these things either, that it's just another thing to do on top of everything else we have to do in this very, very busy season of the year. I don't want it to feel confusing or too hard to do, or that it's just a big waste of time and energy, and I don't want to feel drained or sad. These are all feelings that have been simmering below the surface for me. Fears that bob to the top when I work on something that means a lot to me. I'm scared that releasing something I've worked so hard on will for some reason be a failure. I allow my fears and worries to surface, and then I can face them head on, thank them for their insight and protection, and move on to set positive intentions on how I want the challenge to benefit everyone taking part. I want to feel calm, relaxed, supported and capable. I want to create and share without worry of criticism or judgment. I want my process to flow and fit in easily to my day-to-day activities, to try out some new techniques as well, and find comfort in those which I already know. I want to fill my book with fun and for the process to benefit me with insight and joy. And I want this for you too. I want you to enjoy the process of journaling. I want you to benefit from the calm flow state and insights that it brings. I want you to feel good about your creativity and feel confident to share your work if you want to. I want this challenge to be a little ray of light in your life over the next month, to help you to unwind, to reflect and prepare you for the year ahead. If you had a bad day, I want it to help you to feel a little lighter. And if you had a good day, I want it to be the icing on the cake. I want this challenge to be a no pressure, dip in and out if you need to project that uplifts, inspires and connects. And I want you to feel supported. I look forward to opening day one of our Advent together soon. If you haven't joined the Advent Challenge yet, then the link is in the description and you're more than welcome to. If you know of anybody else who would enjoy doing this type of thing, then please do share these videos and make sure that you give them a thumbs up because that really helps. There is a community group and also lots of videos and resources to help you through the challenge, including how to make a journal and how to fill it with lots of lovely things. So I do hope that you'll enjoy this and join us all together. I'm going to add my note of intention to this little journal card and pop it into my Advent Challenge book ready. And I look forward to seeing you when we open our first Advent Challenge number on the 1st of December. Until then, take care. Bye.